Hello everyone, welcome to Architect. Today we have with us Shubham, who was a student of SG Bootcamp Batch 1 and is currently working at Sigmund. He previously worked at Cognizant before the bootcamp. So Shubham, welcome to the YouTube channel. Can you give a brief about yourself so that others will also know
Yeah,
more about you?
thank you so much. I am Shubham Mitra. I am basically from West Bengal. I completed my BTech from IIM Kolkata, and I had been working at Cognizant as a software engineer. And recently, I have switched to Sigmoid, and there I work as a ST1. So yeah, that's a brief intro about me.
Okay. So, so Shubham, can you tell me a bit about your journey?
Yeah, sure. So, like starting from the college, I used to do competitive programming initially, but that was for a very small amount of time, and I was also not consistent with that. So basically, after that, I kept on practicing DSA, and eventually ended up getting a job at Cognizant. And after that, like the in the between for the time when we were all working from home, I tried switching before joining bootcamp also. I used to practice a lot of problems, but I was never consistent, and I had almost 0 to 1 development experience. And the coming to the boot camp now, it was a great journey from for me. So basically, I learned a lot of things here, within a very short amount of time. There were a lot of live classes. Basically, these are live classes only in the boot camp, and those were interactive live classes. It was not monotonous, and it was not just one directional. And every participant, every viewer that was there in the Zoom meetings that we used there, everybody interacted. So that was a very good opportunity for us to learn. And coming to other things, it was a very well curated course. All the questions and the assignments were there in the increasing order of difficulty. So it helped me a lot, grasping the concepts and continuing my learning journey in that way. And it also helped me to approach random problems, and it instilled confidence in me that I can do any type of problem, any type that are asked in the interviews. And apart from that, the projects that were assigned to us, all those were step by step projects. By step, I mean that, let's say in development, we were first taught HTML, then CSS, and then JavaScript and something like that. So all the projects were in the cumulative fashion. So first project was only on HTML, second project was HTML plus CSS, and the things kept on adding. So at the end, we could make complete full stack projects. And we had a very good experience making that project all our by ourselves, because only the concepts were taught and the impact that it could make and the skills. So that we used, and we understood the concepts and used those to write our own projects. And coming to the doubt resolution also, it was really good and it was really quick. One thing that I like the most about the doubt resolution, you won't be told the actual answer to the question directly. They would give you a hint, keep on giving you a hint until you reach the perfect solution to that. Because it helped in the interview also. Because when you are stuck in an interview and you ask for hint in an interview, the interviewer also tends to help you by giving you small hints. So you need to catch those. And then the boot camp, all this journey helped me with those two. And apart from this, it had a awesome peer support also. I was always motivated and dedicated to complete my tasks. So it helped me come out of my comfort zone, which is very important. Uh, and also the competition outside is quite large, and we need to be consistent. So bootcamp as a whole helped me to stay consistent and prevented me from getting deviated from my studies. And like one more thing, at the end, like you get a lot of tests and contests that would increase and improve your speed. So basically that helps a lot, and you get to attend mock interviews as well. And yeah, one more thing to end this is that like if you like honestly work hard during the boot camp, like they would work even harder to help you get placed. So yeah, that is it.
Okay, so that was a great advertisement of SD Bootcamp. So Shubham, now can you tell more about your journey, like the effort that you put, the time that you put, and what are the things that you did during this entire time that helped you get to where you are right now?
Yeah, okay. So basically, outside of my job, whenever I used to like get time, I used to dedicate as much time as possible to the bootcamp. Let's say average around uh, 30 hours a week, and that helped me stay motivated. But I lost of like motivation. I got demotivated in between also. Like it was very difficult for me. I won't be able to complete. So like they helped me with those also. Like I used to have 1:1 sessions regularly to like break that monotonous routine and like get help me to get back on track. And like the DSA and the development part that was given to us, like we were told to do it all by ourselves, and we were advised to ask doubts like in specific doubt channels, and those were resolved like almost immediately every time. So that helped a lot.
So basically, you solve 25, 30 problems every week for such a long time, and you built so many projects. So can you talk a bit about the projects that you built?
Yeah, so basically, as I mentioned earlier, like we were first given JavaScript assignments, then HTML assignments, HTML plus CSS assignments. So slowly and slowly, the concepts kept on building. So to brief some of the projects, like we were asked to like develop a developer profile platform. We were also asked to make a review portal. Like we were also asked to make a e-commerce website, and anybody that anybody in the boot camp uh, like made their own projects, and everything were on their own were made on their own. So all the design and the coding part were done on their own. So we could like what used to happen is that everybody used to ask a lot of doubts where they used to get stuck. So they helped us with that, and also like whenever required, we used to have office hours also to like if they need to address any common doubts. So that was resolved also.
Okay. Can you tell about the project that you built for e-commerce?
Yeah, so basically it was a full stack project. So what I built was a sort of a big basket clone, and it had all the things, let's say all the important things of an e-commerce website. Basically, the all the e-commerce life cycle. So basically, uh, product details page, product listing page, order details page, everything. And we were also like taught how to integrate Razorpay payment gateway. So that was a very good experience for all of us. Yeah.
Okay. So like you did a lot of effort for 7 to 8 months, and finally you are placed at Sigma. So how do you feel right now?
I feel very happy. Like my family members couldn't believe that I have been placed there. Uh, very happy.
So it was a very big switch for Shubham. So he, in terms of salary also, I'm sure it will be in terms of the career and learning also. So in terms of salary, the base salary increased by 4.24x. So that's a very big switch that anyone can make in their career. So congrats Shubham for that.
Thank you so much.
So Shubham, like why would you recommend someone to join the SD Bootcamp, or why would you not recommend someone to join the SD Bootcamp? So can you give me an answer to that?
Yeah. Okay. So like apart from getting placed, there are many other perks to like joining this bootcamp. Like I can say that you would learn software development from the basics, and like you would keep on grasping the concepts. So that would help a lot in the long run. and everything is taught step by step. Won't be like overwhelmed that you have to learn so many things and things like that. And like I would recommend for all those who want to like switch and want to like give a launch pad to their software development career, and like anybody who is like willing to put effort, honest effort, and they would like definitely get the reward. Yeah.
Okay, and who should not join HD Bootcamp?
So like anybody like who is like satisfied with their current role, like they may not.
Okay, and like as you mentioned that you put in a lot of effort. So like anyone who does not or cannot put that much effort, so SD Bootcamp might not be for them. But for anyone who wants to make a big switch in their career and can put that much amount of effort, definitely they should join SD Bootcamp. I think Shubham would agree to that.
Yeah, sure. Definitely.
Yeah. So Shubham, any tips for anyone who wants to make a switch in their career? Like, what are the do's and don'ts based on your learnings?
Okay, so do like one thing you should definitely do is that trust their course and follow that whatever they say. It might seem that uh, it they are telling you to do because some other persons are doing that, but I would say that do not follow any random thing. Like trust them and follow them. It would definitely give you a reward. And don't is that. Yeah, be consistent and try not to get distracted by some other things. Like it would require a lot of effort, and you have to keep that you have to put that effort, and being consistent always helps in any journey. Yeah.
Okay, for anyone who is not joining the bootcamp, like what any tips for them? Like what should they do? Maybe like being consistent, or like where should they learn from? Like you have learned so many things, so you might be knowing about like what are the things that people need to learn. So can you maybe give some idea on?
Yeah, so basically there are many resources there. I would say being consistent in any one platform would definitely help, be it LeetCode or any other place where one can practice DSA. So being consistent for let's say at least 2-3 months would definitely help. And like for the development part, one can also learn from their current job. Also, if they're in the already in the software development role, it is also a great learning journey while one is in the job. And like there are also like YouTube videos, so one can learn also from that. But one has to be consistent and like forget about every distraction, and has to like keep on being self-motivated is an important thing.
Okay. So I think this would help a lot of people whoever wants to learn development, wants to learn DS, and wants to move to a product-based company. I think whatever Shubham mentioned is what I am also aligned with. Like you need to be consistent and need to learn from resources, either paid or free, but consistency is very very important there, and you need to follow the right things. Like you do not need to be distracted. So Shubham, so I had a call with Shubham much before he joined the bootcamp as well. So he mentioned about some distraction, like he wanted to join, like he was stuck in his current job, his friends were starting to do some TA ship or were doing CP. So he asked me about this, like should I do all of these things? But then the thing was still the same, like be consistent and avoid distractions at this stage if you want to make a switch. uh, like start preparing, start being consistent. Like it would take a lot of time, it's not a short journey. Like in the first two batches the bootcamp was 7 months long, in the third batch it's going to be 8 months long. But like you need to be consistent the entire time, and the rewards are pretty good. You can see what Shubham has done with all of his effort, like staying consistent, doing so much hard work for 7 8 months, and he's at a pretty good place right now. So yeah, thank you Shubham. Any parting thoughts?
Think thoughts would be like you can follow Walker Tech, and you can also like, go through the resources. Like uh, they are doing an awesome job, and like their resource website shows it all. And that.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you Shubham. Like it was great having you here. I hope that everyone learned from you a lot. For everyone else, like we are starting SG Bootcamp Batch 3 from October 18th, and we would definitely want you to be there so that you can make a big career switch. And so enrollments are currently ongoing. You can go to our website and enroll on SG Bootcamp, or if you have any questions, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. So my WhatsApp number is 9732 130 450. For any questions related to the bootcamp, you can reach out to me. Thank you. Thank you, Shubham.